Casa Zebu, an evocative name that unfolds majestically in its architecture. These central axes are framed by black steel columns, which not only provide structural support but also create a game of framing and highlighting key elements along their path. Upon entering, those who live in it disconnect completely from the outside and immerse themselves in an experience of total immersion in its interior. The exposed black painted steel beams without hiding the structure add a touch of contemporaneity and horizontality to the project. The choice of pigmented yellow concrete adds a distinctive note to the design of the project. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.